Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Jobase, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make protein pancakes. Cue the intro! When a humbled pancake graced her right along with... Add a quarter cup of flour, a quarter cup of protein powder, a quarter cup of low-fat milk, a quarter cup of low-fat yogurt, 1 egg white, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Now give it a good mix. So the recipe I used today was only half of the ingredients I would normally put because I just wanted a snack. So it would usually be double what I put. Although this is a non-stick pan, sometimes it does stick, so I would recommend spraying it with non-stick spray. Alright, now add it to the pan, and then when you see bubbles start to form, then you can flip it. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe.